Alright, so I'm gonna solve this Rubik's Cube. And there's parts of it I can do without looking, but not yet. So for now I gotta get the green cross. See this green center, I want to get a cross. So I need to put the red green here. I need to put my white green next, then orange green, then yellow green. It's right there, which gives me my green cross. So then I would do my corners. Quite simple. Let me get the corners in there. And then parts like this I can do without looking. It's just moving a piece to make two colors connect in the middle layer, which I just gotta place it and then I can do it. So I've been working this since Christmas is why. So really not hard to learn if you actually spend the time to learn it. I had a lot of fun learning to do one of these. And eventually you catch on, but you know, you can't give up. So I got my blue cross. Now I gotta make my colors of each tip of the cross match. Red, yellow, white, and orange don't match yet, so I'm gonna do this once or twice more. Red, yellow, white, orange. Okay, they match. Now I gotta find it. Now I gotta do the top corners. I do it one more time. Fine. Alright. This one's a little bit time consuming, this move, but eventually it'll solve. And there you have it.